How to log in into your Target account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. You can simply move into your application Target, or you can also log into your account through website. Let me move into Safari for now. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Target Login. Move into any of the site. Let me move into the very first one, Login. You will land on the official site of Target. Once you're in here, you need to tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. And it will land you on the page where you'll be able to log into your account. Enter your email or phone number of your account and then tap on Continue. Well, if you do not have your account, then you need to create one by completing this process. Once you've completed, tap on Create Account at the bottom and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.